guys, so now we are now in the actual unit of 1 bedroom with balcony of Uptown Arts Residence. Of course, our unit is keycard access. And upon entering will be the hallway going to the kitchen area and our living area. And on this side, our smart home suites. And on top of that, we have intercom na connected on the lobby. And on this side will be our kitchen area. Of course, 1 bedroom unit will have a free 2-door refrigerator came from Gorman. And of course, we have granite countertop, we have retractable faucet and kitchen sink. And all our top and under kitchen cabinet is soft close na. Of course, meron din tayo ditong 2 induction hob. Then we have the range room. While on this side will be the maid's room or utility closet na may sarili na siyang toilet and bath. Of course, upon turnover, complete sanitary fittings na siya. Tara guys, doon tayo sa living area natin. So, on this part will be your spacious living area. And dito, meron na tayong isang inverter split type aircon. Ang kinagandaan pa dito, so 1 bedroom na to, our living area have access on a balcony. And its view will be the Uptown Bonifacio Township. So let's go to the bedroom number 1. But before that, syempre, andito yung toilet and bath natin. Upon turnover, this will have a complete sanitary fittings na merong lavatory, toilet, and complete shower set. And this will be your bedroom number 1. And pagpasok natin, upon turnover, it will have a pre-inverter split type aircon. Syempre, ceramic plank wood finish na rin tayo, and meron tayong modular closet na may full glass mirror. So guys, for those interested, you can contact me on my details below so that I can assist you with your property investment. So this is Jerome Lazar from Mega World Corporation. So what you're waiting for? Inquire now.